Namaste Novedo Circle, we have been so eager to launch this kit not just for the first time in India but in the world, presenting to you the King Tuber Oyster Mushroom Growing Kit. Watch this video to begin your journey. Your kit consists of three things: a spray bottle, a packet which contains your casing material, and a pre-inoculated substrate block with Pleurotus tuberosum mycelium. This kit will be a bit different from the other kits that you might have grown, but do not worry, we've got all the information covered on our website with a detailed FAQ section. A new addition being the casing material, which will help prevent a loss of moisture from your substrate block. You will need 5 things to start: a disinfectant spray or sanitizer, a metal spoon, a pair of scissors, a bowl, a jug or a mug to pour water. It is really important to make sure that all the tools and containers are cleaned and sanitized before in order to prevent any kind of contamination. Unlike other grow kits, the King Tuber kits are top fruiting kits, which means they would have to be placed horizontally on a table or a surface on which you choose to grow it. Before you start, make sure that your hands are clean and sanitized. Ensure that your hands stay clean throughout the process, making sure to re-sanitize them in case you touch any surface. To begin using your grow kit, place it horizontally on the ground. Press the perforated section on the front of the kit and remove it. Unroll the plastic from inside the box. Once unrolled, cut open the plastic 15 centimeters below the top. This will act as a humidity tent for your mushrooms and ensure that the humidity stays high. Boil about 100 ml of drinking water and transfer it into a jug while it is still hot. Open the packet containing the casing material and transfer it into a bowl. Pour the hot water over the casing. This serves two purposes primarily. It hydrates the dry material and also pasteurizes it to keep it clean and free of any contamination. Using the spoon, mix the casing material with water thoroughly so that it gets hydrated and pasteurized. After the casing cools down, add it to the top of the substrate. Spread the hydrated and pasteurized casing material and gently use the spoon to make the layer uniform throughout the substrate block. Your kit is almost ready to start giving you mushrooms. One last thing you need to do is to generously spray water on the inner walls of the plastic and the casing layer with clean drinking water to ensure that it stays moist. This will help in maintaining a humid microclimate akin to the tropical jungles where the mushrooms grow in the wild, bringing to you the goodness of the forests onto your plate, one mushroom at a time. With Nuvedo, happy growing.